Friends, so today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the automobile industries company who is dealing in the lubricant oils, grease and other petroleum products. The company name is Continental Petroleums Limited. This company has given a good return in last few years. Right now, this company's price is showing consolidation since last 2 to 3 years. If you see the chart here, you can see that company's price was exponentially increased from March 2020 fall down to till date. Here you can see that company from crude oil, refinery product and current market cap of the stock is just 30 crore rupees. Company is falling under the macro and small cap category. Enterprise value just 35 crore and book value per share is 39.49. It means that company's P it is showing that 10.42. PEG ratio is showing 0.32. It means whenever you see the PEG ratio is less than 1, it is considered as the company price will go up in coming months and weeks. Company has given almost 2549% return in last 10 years and 257% return. It means 2 times the price increase since last 5 years. The company functions into the refinery industries. The product being manufactured in the companies are the automobile and industrial lubricant, grease, specialty oils and fuel oils. So these are the some product which is provided by company. Let's talk about delivery. Company, it is from micro cap company and every day the company's trading happens with the 100% delivery. It means that there is not too much volume, so please be check with your advisor. Whenever you're going for investment in this company, please always check with your advisor. Now if you talk about corporate action, company's price or stock face value split from 10 to 5. It happens in November 2020. Now if you talk about here the more technical information, right now it is showing over, bout and neutral zone, but please always talk with your technical advisor before taking any technically position here. Now if you talk about, so these are the different parameter which we have discussed already, but let me recap you. The price to book value is 1.38 and number of shares in the market floating is just 0.56 crore and face value 5. So these are and stock P 10.42 and industry P 13.42. So these are some key information about the stock. So let's see about the website of the company. What are the product, what are the information you can also get from the website. So here is the company name is Continental Petroleum Limited. Company certified from the ISO 9001, 2015, 14001 and 2015. So these are the some different product companies manufacturing lubricant oils for automobile industries, grease, G-Tech Blue different oils, industrial lubricant. So you more information you can read from the website and you can also see the product list from the here. So let's see, go more information in the result section. You can see that the company's sales are going down in last few quarter. Maybe because of the market competition and because of the product is not selling too much in last few quarter, but when you see the annual result of the stock, you will be surprised that the company has given good return in last few years. EBITDA also is very good. See, if you see carefully, sales are going down along with expenditure is also going down and they are maintaining nice good EBITDA. Earlier it was 1.12 crore EBITDA in September 2022 when the sales was 22 crore almost. But in September 2023 sales is 13 crore but EBITDA is 1.39. It means company is having good processing, very good managing their raw materials and consumptions, which is very good. Interest is also increasing. It means that company is having some debt and they are repaying their debt very fast and nicely. Along with that, you can see PAT is also, it is showing 0. Now net profit is 0.26. Earlier it was in the same quarter was 0.49. If you talk about the annual return, then you will be surprised. Company sales was in March 2020 was just 42 crore, but in March 2023 it was 98 crore. Even in March 2022 it was 121 crore. Exponential progress by the company. EBITDA is also growing along with it. 3.38 EBITDA was in March 2020, but it is showing almost 7 crore this time in this year. Companies pay interest is also increasing along with the EBITDA. The interest is also increasing. It means that companies creating the profit, along with they are also taking some loan, some debt from the bank. Tax is also increasing. Along with that, PAT is also increasing for the stock, and overall net profit increased from 1.35 crore to 2.29 crore from March 2020 to March 2023. Now let's talk about more ratio information. Return on equity company is showing 20.3. Return on capital number 22, which is very excellent. And if you talk about here the efficiency ratio, EBIT margin increased, PAT margin also increased from 1 to 4 point, and book value increased from 17 rupees to 38 rupees. All these are excellent indicator for this stock. Let's talk about the more financial and balance sheet information of the stock. First of all, the company's net equity capital, share capital is just 3 crore. Company never dilute their equity capital. Along with that, reserves are also increasing exponentially. 8 crore reserves now showing 19 crore. March 2022 to March 2022, March 2023. Non-current liability is almost 2 crore. Current liability is almost 21 crore. But if you talk about non-current asset is 10 crore, but current asset where the inventory is 8 crore, sundry debtor going to receive from the market is 24 crore, cash and bank 2 crore. Excellent companies maintaining good balance sheet. Small cap, micro cap company, but maintaining very nice and good balance sheet. So always check with the advisor before taking any further position in this stock. Now let's talk about more information, like after getting there, creating good profit, after removing all this expenditure, interest, depreciation, company creating good profit. But if you talk about the promoter holding, here the promoter holding is intact 34.41, but promoter holding is very less. But please check with the advisor before taking any further position in this stock. Public holding 65.59, which is intact holding by the public also. And these are some promoter name. You can also get information from the website. There are no mutual fund holding. And if you talk about fundamental, return on equity are increasing for this stock. So always check and get proper detailed information before taking further investment.